lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're stopping by this channel for the very first time, I love you so much. Thank you for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe, okay? And also like and click on the notification button just so you get notified whenever I post a new video. So this is a vlog, clip on how I applied for my newborn's passport. So first of all, they required for passport application, they required a name. So I took my child for capturing. He was barely 6 weeks here. After capturing, I got his passport. I had to take him to Abuja, the visa application center, for medicals and all of that. Do you get? So after I got back from Abuja, I think he was 2 weeks old, 2 months old. We had to go and take him passport photograph to further like his applications. Guys, it was such a sport taking this guy passport. Like, hey, he couldn't stay, he's just 2 months. His neck was not so strong then. Also, was it? I'm not so sure, but yeah, I'm just basically saying it was not easy. So yeah, enjoy the vlog, because after then, guys, we got our visa and every other thing.
Hey guys, this Canada work, I just clips on clips. Our passport is there. You can see how stressed I am. So I'm not traveling this month, so I had to go and shop for the house we're going to be eating before we travel. It's crazy, see, but well, the good news, this is our passport, guys. Canadian. It choke. Work. See, I'm tempted to open this, I swear, but I'm just going to chill for him. So we'll open it together because God has been so good. See, this Canada application, I'm on a special day. I'll tell you people on my IELTS waka. See, this is a whole new testimony. I can't wait, but I have to wait. I'm just so happy because what? Canada, here I come, baby. See what? Guys, I'm hungry. My husband is here and see. I'm so happy. It's like since 2020. I wrote my exam in February 2020. This is 2023. It has come to pass. So I told you guys I was waiting for my husband before I open. The parcel is here, back from work. I've been out since morning, so I'm just trying to. I want me pie. I'm trying to get something into my system. What we wait has come to pass. See what the Lord has done. Yeah, so let's show you what is inside our parcel. So it's from Canada Visa Application Center. Yes.
Sent to them documents or photocopies.
This for one person. 2 and 3. For 3 of us.
Okay, so we put it inside. Okay.
Even my baby is smiling as if we're about to give him a good life. So yes, immigrants. I later saw my passport. I told you I didn't keep it.
So So we're ready.
I think it's only your paper. All of them have paper.
Yeah, we take it to the. My one just has more paper, but this one we take it to the. When you land, they will stamp it.
Okay, there.
They will stamp it on the document.
So this is your girl. Look at how pretty I'm looking. Very, very pretty. This is like the finest passport I've taken in forever. Tana! Hey! First, see, this is the time for me to do. I enter plane. I enter plane. They serve me wine.
So we're ready to travel. Master.
So, guys, this will be the end of this section. I'm so happy